this 3-week-long Nanda Devi Rajyat festival of Uttarakhand in India. People from the entire Garhwal division and Kumaon division as well as other parts of India and the world participate in this Nanda Devi Rajyat. The goddess Nanda Devi is worshipped at dozens of people in Kumaon and Garhwal. The region around mountains Nanda Devi, which falls in the Pithoragarh, Almora, Chamoli district, is the prime area related to Nanda Devi. In Chamoli, Nanda Devi Rajyat organized once in 12 years. The Jat, that's mean Yatra or pilgrimage. The Jatra starting from Kansua village near Karnaprayag and goes up to the highest of Roopkund and Homkund with a 4-horned sheep. The sheep is filled with decorated ornaments, foods and clothes, and other offerings are decorated. An annual Nanda Jat is also celebrated. The Rajyat processing goes through villages where there is organized Nanda Devi Rajyat in Nanda Devi Temple at Koti. A night half of the participation takes place where a night-long worship and celebration take place. In the Johar Valley region, there is no traditional of Nanda Jat, but the ritual of collecting Brahm Kamal. It's called Kaul Kamphu. The Nanda Devi fair is held at Almora, Nainital, Koti, Dangoli, Ranikhet, Bhawali, Kicha, and also in the far-flung villages of Lohar like Milam and Martoli, and Pindar valleys like Vachham and Khatti. In the village of the Pindar Valley, people celebrate the Nanda Devi Jat every year, while in Lahar people come from far and wide to Dhanhar, Sangri, Milam and Martoli in order to worship the goddess. In Nainital, the Almora thousands take part in the processing, carrying dola, that's mean litter of Nanda Devi. It is said the Nanda Devi fair started in Kumaon during the reign of King Kalyan Chand in 16th century. A 3-day fair is held at Koti Ki Mai or Kot Brahmari Devi. The fair at Santis come every second year. Both these fairies are rich in folk expressions and many villages' products are bought for sales. Due to the heavy rain and cloudburst in June 2013, Uttarakhand, which lead to major loss of life, property and caused massive distractions to the region. The Nanda Devi Rajyat from 29 scheduled to take place in August 2013 was postponed to the year of 2014. The Nanda Devi Rajyat 2014 started from 18th August 2014 and went up to 6 September 2014. The Yatra total distance covered approximately 290 km and 230 km distance was covered by foot or by trekking route, and the rest 60 km was covered by the bus transport. Before the present Yatra of Nanda Devi Rajyat Yatra, the trip was held in the year 2000 and it was of the biggest trip of Uttarakhand. The main thing of Nanda Devi Rajyat Yatra is the distance covered on foot. So, it is considered a very holy trip. Many tourists from various parts of India and from abroad have come to join the holy Nanda Devi Rajyat.